Let's look into some health benefits of scent leaf. Scent leaf, also known as African basil or Ocimum gratissimum, is a herb commonly used in traditional medicine and culinary practices in many parts of Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. It is prized not only for its aromatic flavor but also for its potential health benefits. Please note that while scent leaf may have various health claims, scientific research is ongoing, and not all benefits are backed by robust evidence. Here are some of the potential health benefits attributed to scent leaf. 1. Antimicrobial properties. Scent leaf contains compounds like eugenol, thymol, and geraniol, which possess antimicrobial properties. These compounds may help inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens, contributing to improved immune function and protection against infections. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that scent leaf extracts may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and potentially alleviate certain inflammatory conditions. 3. Antioxidant activity. Scent leaf contains antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By doing so, it may protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Digestive health. Traditionally, scent leaf has been used to aid digestion and relieve digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. It is believed to have commutative properties that help ease digestive problems. 5. Respiratory health. Some people use scent leaf to relieve respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and nasal congestion due to its potential expectorant and decongestant properties. 6. Diabetes management. Some animal studies have indicated that scent leaf extract might have a positive effect on blood sugar levels and insulin function. However, more research is needed to determine its potential role in diabetes management in humans. 7. Menstrual health. In some traditional practices, scent leaf is used to alleviate menstrual discomfort and regulate menstrual cycles in women. 8. Cardiovascular support. Preliminary studies suggest that scent leaf may have cardioprotective effects by potentially reducing blood pressure and improving lipid profiles. This could contribute to better heart health. 9. Analgesic properties. Scent leaf has been traditionally used to alleviate pain and headaches, possibly due to its analgesic effects. It's important to note that while scent leaf shows promise in some areas, more rigorous scientific research, including human clinical trials, is required to establish its efficacy and safety for various health conditions. If you're considering using scent leaf for medicinal purposes, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for guidance, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more.